Hi, I'm Shirley with Wigs Warehouse, and today I wanted to show you why there's such variances in pricing on wigs. And it has a lot to do with the features. It's like buying a car. If I say that to people, then they understand more thoroughly. First of all, I'm going to show you this is actually a very inexpensive wig. This is one that's strictly machine made, and you'll see that the weftings are quite a bit further apart. And they're actually heavier too than what a finer, more spendy wig is. And there's nothing wrong with a machine-made piece. They're very serviceable. If somebody's wanting a lift, they're probably actually going to give you more lift because it's weft over weft, which builds height as opposed to a monofilament top. So that is a basic, just a machine-made. Here's going to be the most expensive in a synthetic that is produced, and that is all, this is all hand knotted. It's called ventilating, and it's identical to latch hooking. It's extremely small. If you could see through this, you could see that you can actually see the light through it. I don't know if the camera's showing that or not, but that is the most expensive. This has both the lace front, the mono, everything is hand-tied. This is truly 100% hand-tied wig. Obviously, with those type of features, it's going to run you quite a bit more. If this is a synthetic, human hair can be made this way too. So I want to thank you so much for watching our video today, and we have other informational videos out there that we'd like to share with you also. Thank you again.